Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at isometric projection using the isoplane. In the previous video, we looked at isometric projection. And what had happened? We were given the first angle projection and we converted the 2D drawings to a 3D drawings. In today's video, I'm going to show you a different way to draw the isometric projection using the isoplane, which is built into the AutoCAD software. The version that I'm using is 2024, and I'll be starting the drawing of the isometric projection now. It's the same drawing that I'm going to use, but I'm going to be using the isoplane. Now the isoplane has three modes. So I'm gonna select the first one for you. So here we have the isoplane on the left by clicking this button down here, this button right here. This will be the regular view. So that is left. If I drop down the arrow, I can choose the right, isoplane right. I can choose the isoplane at the top. Alright, so I'm going to redraw the drawing for you, okay? So I'll be drawing this isometric block using the isoplane. We're going to be starting using the isoplane right. So I'm going to come down here and click this drop down button. And I'm going to choose the right, okay? So here it is right. So this line, I'll be drawing this line. So I'll be drawing this line. So this line is 60 millimeters long. So I'm going to go line, turn on my snap right there. All right, so this line would be 60 millimeters. Okay, then we're going to go up 30 millimeters. Then we're going to come across 30 millimeters again. Then we're going to go down 15 millimeters. Then we're going to come across 30 millimeters. And we're going to go down there, enter. See? All right, we're going to draw the left hand side now. So I'm going to come down here. Or that is normal. Gonna come back here. Gonna drop down this to get isoplane left. And there it is. So the length of this line is 30 millimeters. So I'm gonna draw a line 30 millimeters. 30. Enter. The height would be 15 millimeters as shown on the drawing. Then we're gonna come back to 30 this way. Okay, I didn't get that line, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go again. Line from turn off the alright, so there it is gonna go this way. 30 millimeters. Alright, hold on. Escape, undo. Alright, so we're gonna draw the line again. Alright, gonna turn off ortho perpendicular. So we're gonna go line there. Then I'm gonna draw it at 30 degrees. Or turn off the snap. Alright, so we're gonna draw to there, enter. Alright. Now I'm gonna do the same thing coming across. So I'm gonna draw line, the angle. The angle on this side would be the isoplane right. So I'm gonna change this to isoplane right. Right. So now we want the line to be 30 millimeters. So we go 30, enter. Then we're gonna go up 15 millimeters, enter. Then we're gonna go across 30 millimeters, enter. Then to come back down on the other side now, we need to change this to isoplane left. And then the length of this line will be 30. Enter. Alright, we need to complete this line, so we go line, enter. We need another line at this corner, so there. Turn off object snap, enter. And there is a finished product using the isoplane that is built into the AutoCAD software. So this is a different way in which you can draw the isometric projection using the isoplane. So in the previous video, we were given this first angle projection drawing, and we were asked to draw the pictorial view or the 3D view of the object given in the first angle drawing. So this is a different way I'm showing it today to use the isoplane that is built into the AutoCAD function. This is another way to draw the drawing. I want to show you that when you press the highlighter, when you press you'll get back the original grid. But when you press it again, you'll get back the last grid that you had selected. Now I want to point out that notice that the 2D drawing was not changed, or the previous drawing was not changed when we selected the isoplane. So let me turn on the one at the top to show you, see? The original drawing is not affected when um you change the isoplane with a left, right, or top. Okay, so let me show you again. So I'm gonna choose the left one. I can see it does not alter the or change the original drawings which were there previously. So let me go back to the original grid. See? And the drawing is still this drawing on the right, which was drawn using the isoplane, is still at a 30-degree angle and it is not changed. So too was the original 2D drawing, it was not changed. Alright, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to draw an isometric circle using the isoplane as shown in this video. Alright, so thanks for watching and take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.